Hello everyone, this is RenAn Information Technology. Today we are going to teach you how to activate the product keys. After successfully downloading the key service and the softwares, now we back to the RenAn subscription page and log into your account. Then we click the member area on the top right corner. Now we select Key Management. And here you will see the products you have purchased and also the product keys. Now we copy the serial number of the product key of the NC editor. Then we will need to click on the Show Hidden Icons at bottom right corners. And now we open the RenAn Key service. Now we click on the plus sign next to the member. Select subscriptions. And here you will see a verify button. Now we will need to pass the product key serial numbers at product key verify columns. Now we click OK. After that, the page will show that the verification is successful. After you have successfully activated the product keys in the subscription areas, now you can check the product names and also the activate date and the expire date of the software. So, after that, we are now able to use the products. First, we get back to the desktop. Now we open the RenAn Soft Launcher. Here is the NC editors we have activated. Now we open it. So as you can see, we have opened the NC editor successfully. Now I will show you with a simple demonstrations. So as demonstrated, the software works normally and smoothly. Above are the tutorial for today. Thanks for listening.